The Directorate of Educational Research and Training, laitkam Shillong, invites online applications for all the candidates who are bona fide citizens of India, and who are the permanent resident of Meghalaya, for the admission of 2 years diploma in elementary education or D.L. Ed program, for the academic session of 2024-26. Offered at 7 districts Institute of Education and Training, DIETs, of the state. Qualification criteria. Candidates who have passed Class 12 or its equivalent examination from any recognized university or institutions. Candidates must secure 50% and 5% relaxation for ST/SC candidates. Person with disabled also can apply with 5% relaxation. How to apply for the District Institute of Education and Training. All candidates who wants to apply, kindly visit the official's website. www.megeducation.gov.in. And the last date for the application is on the 7th of June 2024. Please share, like and subscribe. Thank you.